This is counting geometric figures. What is counting geometric figures? It's counting how many points, lines, shapes, or solids there are in a whole figure or a set of figures. If you don't understand, we'll start with a basic example. How many intersections can a circle intersect with a triangle at most? An intersection is when a line intersects with another line, creating points. In this triangle, you see it has 3 edges, and every edge can intersect a circle twice, like this, 1 and 2. There's 3 edges in a triangle, and there's two points at match it can intersect. You get 3 times 2, which is 6 intersections at most, which is something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's the basics. We'll start with a more challenging problem now. So how many intersections can you get when you connect all the lines from the top dots to the bottom dots? So, for example, you can make an intersection by connecting these 2 dots like this, and you get an intersection. Of course, we can just count all the intersections by like connecting all the lines and then just counting the intersections one by one, but that takes a while, and it's not what we're going for today. Instead, we use counting. So we have find out how you can choose any 2 points on the top line, so such like these 2, and any 2 points on the bottom line, like these 2. And if you draw them in a crisscross shape, they always make one intersection. So you have 4 dots on the top, and there's two you want to choose, and 4 choose 2 is equal to 6. And on the bottom, you have 5 choose 2, which is equal to 10. So the answer is 6 times 10 because you just combine them to create the answer. And 6 times 10 is 60, and 60 is the total number of intersections you get. So this is these are both counting intersections, and in the last problem what we'll be going through today is about counting rectangles. Here. How many rectangles can you get when you from using the grid lines on this figure? As you can see, there are grid lines where there's 3 horizontal lines and there's 5 vertical lines. So you get a rectangle just like this, where you have 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. And if you get it now, there's 3 horizontal lines, and you must choose 2 to create the 2 horizontal lines of a rectangle, like these 2. It's the same with vertical lines, where there's 5, and you must also choose 2. So 3 choose 2, which is counting the horizontal lines, is just 3, and 5 choose 2 is 10. So like this, you get 3 times 10 is equal to 30, and 30 is the answer. So these are all the problems we're going through today, and just talks about what counting geometric figures are and how to solve the problems. So that's it. Bye.